Good morning, fellow 109ers. Just thought I'd give you an update on what's going on here with the amazing Mike. Let's have a look. So, firstly, the door, he has pretty much rebuilt. He's filled in all these cracks. He's now putting in some special acetate, so it'll be stronger and more robust than ever before. The doorway, the sill, all of that around the edge, and that's the bit that's going to be painted in the stick key blue before we move into the white. Now, let's step back a little bit and see the overall appearance. There we go. A load going on, as you can see. It's quite phenomenal what he's doing, even down to the gate, which he's already started on. The front wall also, something going on down there. What's he doing? Filling in stuff. Right, let's have a butcher's down this way. Now this is a real piece of art. He's reconstructed the sill here. You can see he's putting some metal surround in to frame it and strengthen it. He's also put some bits of steel in the middle, where it was looking like Stilton cheese. Here he's peeling back all the paint, but he's pretty much finished that and has layered 2 coats of anti-algae onto everything, so that obviously it de-risks damp and erosion. He's filling in all sorts of cracks like that. I mean, there's chunks of stuff that is coming out, which suggests it hasn't really been looked after that well for way before we moved in. He's going to redo all of those. He's filling in stuff. Look, you can see cracks galore, which will need to be done. Now let's look a little bit further out. Yes, I know the hedge needs a cut. I'll get onto that. But you can see he's also put some really cute protection around all of the windows, all very neatly done. He's working out all the pillars, columns, all the various finishings, and basically he wants to make it look like that. So that's today's little journal. Hope all's well with you guys. See you soon.